guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair in a low bun or a low ponytail. I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible. Okay, so this is my hair, and I had already parted it like this because this is how I had been wearing it lately. And yeah, so we're gonna just do a side part just because I don't like a middle part. I feel as if my head looks like more roundish and squarish with a middle part. So my hair is already parted this way. I need a mirror. Hold up. So I'm just gonna use this brush to kind of like give my parts more definition. I think I want my parts to kind of like come on my face. I don't know, I just think it will look cuter if that way. So let's just put everything in place. I want something like that. So I'm just gonna use some edge control and I'm gonna put it around my edges just to, what was that? I know it looks weird inside, just to make sure that it is as flat as possible. I don't wanna be alone. We'll also put it on the side to kind of define that line and also make sure it's flat. I don't really like this edge control, but I hope this time it works because my hair is relaxed. And we're gonna put some on here as well. Using my brush, I am just going to brush it all the way. Trust me, it's not gonna leave a white residue, even though right now it seems like it's gonna do that, but it's not going to, believe me. And let's take this toothbrush to define everything. Yeah, it works on my next day. Seems like it does. Just gonna lay it flat like so, not all the way through, just this way. I'm gonna do the same with the other side, but first can you guys see? I would normally put some gel down here, but I'm not gonna do that because when we're gonna do the ponytail, it's going to cover that the nape of my area, so it's not going to look as crusty as it does. want to make a lot of fake baby hairs, so we're just gonna bring some down all the way like so, just a little bit. Don't want it to be too dramatic, just a little bit. And some here as well, because I don't want it to be dramatic. I am going to pin my hair here. You can use a fancy pin or any pin of your choice, but I'm gonna go in with this pyramid pin, and it should do the trick, just to make it look chic and classy and, you know, well put together and well done. Are going to control this right here, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, you guys, so this is how I achieve this low bun sleek ponytail. I don't like putting a lot of product, just a little bit of edge control. Even though this edge control is not doing the trick, do what works for you. And yeah, I like my buns to be a little bit messy, not just with low buns but with all buns in general. So my bun is a little bit messy, but as long as this ponytail is slick, then we are sorted. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, and like I said, I will bring more relaxed hair content videos. So yeah, let me know in the comment section. And I am also thinking of like putting in clip-in extensions. If you guys want to see that, stay tuned if you guys would like to see this video. And also don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to join the family, and put on your post notification bells on so that you are informed every time I upload a new video. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in like literally a second for you guys. Yeah. I relaxed it. Oh my gosh, shut up. I don't like kids. I really... Shut up! He's looking at me with his little cute mask. I'll be showing you how I achieved this sleek bun low ponytail.
Wool up, nigga. Wool up, wool up, wool up. Just wool up.
Is it low, sleek, low bun ponytail? Sleek.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get in Igbo.
I know it starts with a sleek. I know that for sure. Sleek, low ponytail bun. I don't know what it's called.